So welcome everybody. I'll be presenting today on discrimination and bullying of refugee youth. The audience for this module is purposefully broad because the issue of bullying and discrimination requires broad solutions. One refugee youth I spoke with told me that it's not enough to provide education about bullying in schools, but that families, community, and faith-based organizations also need to step up to provide support to refugees and to spread the message within their broader communities that bullying is an act of violence that should not be accepted in its overt or more subtle manifestations. So we have a few goals for today's course. First, what do bullying and discrimination look like today? And in a refugee context specifically, what are some of the psychosocial effects that we need to keep in mind? We'll also go over some strategies and policies to prevent bullying, as well as assist students who may be targets of bullying. We will draw from the research, as well as point to examples of initiatives that have worked in this context. Lastly, there are a number of resources that I wanted to be sure to share with everyone here today that we can all take back with us. So before we jump in, I wanted to provide some information on myself. So my name is Noof Bazaz, and I am a senior fellow with the World Organization for Resource Development and Education. Many of the stories and strategies I'll be sharing come from this work. Although, of course, to protect confidentiality of our clients, many of the stories are amalgamations of several clients. WORD is a nonprofit educational organization whose mission is to enhance communication and understanding between communities to mitigate social and political conflict. Utilizing a resource-informed foundation for programming, we identify drivers of conflict and opportunities for building strong, resilient communities. Prior to serving as a senior fellow, I was the program director of ICC Crossroads, a program of WORD which provides free counseling, case management, and positive youth development services to youth and their families from the Middle East, South Asia, and Northeast West Africa and the DMV area.